Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to base on how your guests can share their own screen, maybe during interview or you guys are recording video together. The easy method for them to be able to share their screen. That is what I'm going to teach us today. So if that is the reason why you click on this video, then you need to watch it to the end to be able to get all the nuggets in this video. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So now this is OBS. You know how to navigate through OBS. If you don't know, I'll put the link of the playlist of the OBS that I've already done in the description below. Watch it from the first one because they are all beginner friendly. So now I'll bring in my camera. So I'll normally call my camera host camera so that it will be easy to identify. Then I'll go and bring in my own camera. I go to video capture device because I want to bring in my own camera. So I name it my own personal camera, the one I am using. Okay, so as you can see it here, I will choose it. This is my camera and the camera is upside down. Now we are going to turn this together. I don't know why it is upside down, but I'm going to turn it. How do you turn it? You come to transform and you come to anti-clockwise. No you come to transform and you come to anti-clockwise also, so you can see that it has turned. Or another way to turn it, you just tap on it, come to transform and click on 80 degree. You can see this 80 degree is immediately, it turns back immediately. So that is how to turn in case you find yourself in this situation that I find myself. So the next step is you're going to invite in your guests. So how do you invite your guests now? You know, it is not possible to invite guests directly to OBS. OBS does not have that link. So we are going to a browser which is called video.ninja. That is the place that we are going to bring in our guests from. So let's go. Let me take you to my browser so that we can be able to bring in our guests. So now I'm in my browser. So you are going to search video.ninja. Okay, it's very, very important. Video.ninja. Once you search video.ninja, this is the screen that is going to bring to you. And this video.ninja is 100% free. No download, no personal data collection, no signing in. Okay, so and then what you're going to do, you're going to create a room. Make sure you create a room. When you create a room, just give it any name. Okay, I have a name already that I'm putting. Then you must make sure you check this. The guest can be seen by director or but no other guest. Make sure you check this too, and you come to this video codec. Make sure you choose this H264. After you have done this settings, then you click on enter room. So once you are in the room, you can bring in 100 people guests in this place. So just don't stress yourself. Once you enter like this, the first thing you should do is you should enable the director microphone or video. So once you can see immediately it comes up. If you did not see it immediately like this, just click on this setting gear here. It will bring up, and I click it, it will take it away. Okay, you can see you tap on it. So once you tap on it, it's going to give you different video source that you have, audio source that you have, audio output. So I'm going to change it to my OBS, the one that I'm using. You will see that immediately it will change the background and everything. You can see that it's two different ones. So you can choose your microphone as well. This is the microphone of my computer, but I want to use my normal microphone. So you can see everything is changed. Okay, you can. So once you have entered as a director, then you do your customization. I normally choose ask display name, show display name, and show active speaker. Okay, that's what I normally do. Then you click here to close it. Then you copy this link. When you copy this link, you are sending it to the person that he wants to help. Okay, then as me, I don't have anybody that I'm going to help, so I'm going to click on plus and send it to myself here. Okay, when I enter, you will give that person the password. So you click on the password. So this is the password. Okay, since because I asked the person, please enter your display name, you are telling the person to put the name that they want to see. That is very important. So I'm going to put my name. That is, I will just put my name, random name. I'll click on OK. That is the name I want to show on that person. Then the person is going to use this one to join, this one to join, but it's going to do it one by one. So when you click on this place, it will join with his own camera as well, plus audio with this one. So you click on OK, you can see immediately the name appear here. Then you go back to your control room to see that person. This person is here. Okay, then after that, the person will go back again and copy and paste the link again, this second time again. So once the person pastes the second time the link, it will enter the password that you sent to him. Okay, then you click on OK. The person will put display name. Okay, he can put anything, he can put his name as well. And it will now join with camera, which is very, very important. Okay, so once you click here to share screen. Don't put audio this time around, because if you put audio this time around, there will be echo. So just put only one audio. Then the person will now select screen to share. Okay, the person wants to share a particular screen. So close the audio. You don't use audio. You see that there's audio here. Okay, use entire screen, because the person wants to share his or an entire screen. Okay, then the person is sharing the screen too. Okay, then you click on share here. So it will come up. It will tell you that no audio is detected. It is normal. Okay, it is normal. So click on OK, then you can see it here. So you go back to your own control room. Now you can see this is what the person is now sharing for you. You can see it here. Then you can tell the person, okay, go to YouTube. Okay, the person will go to his own YouTube. Okay, let's see, let's click here. The person go to YouTube. Okay, you click on YouTube. The person will see, you can see the YouTube here. Okay, you can see this is where the person will go, or you can get the person, okay, go to your anywhere you want the person to go to. The next thing is, if it's just to see the person's screen, is you stop here. Okay, you stop here if it's just to see the person's screen and then help the person, you stop here. But if it's to do it for interview, that means you are going to take this thing, you are taking it to OBS. So that is what I now want to show us, how to take it to OBS now. So you will now go to your own OBS. You are going to bring in the guest camera, which is this. Then you click on this place, you click on here. After you click here, you go back to your OBS. So when you are your OBS, so you click on plus here and just write the camera name. Ola, that's the person's name. Ola Cam. You can write it the way you want it. Ola Camera. You click on OK. So when you click on OK, you click on this plus here. Once you click on this plus, click on browser. When you click on browser, click on OK here. Then you will now paste the link here. Then you click on OK. So wait for it to come up. So you can see that the camera has come up, and then you just use your two finger or you right click and click on fit to screen. So you can see that the camera, everything is fit to screen now. Okay, so it's easy. Okay, so you click on source. Okay, when you click on source, you come and you choose browser. When you choose browser, you click on OK. Then you go back to your control room again and copy this solo link here. Copy it as usual, copy it and go back to OBS. When you get to your OBS, you paste it here. So once you paste it here, you wait for some times for it to pop up. So let's wait a little bit. You can see immediately that it show up. So what you are going to do is you are going to right click on it and then go to transform and then fit to screen, so that it can be bigger on your own screen. You can see that it is big. So what you are going to do is you can decide to put you and your and the persons together. You click on plus here. You can add the person and you at the same time. Okay, you can set host and then host and co and then guests cam. Okay, cam. Then you click on OK. So once it's here like this, you click on plus. So once you click on plus, you just open scene. Choose scene. It's very, very scene. Once you choose scene, click on host camera. You bring the host camera in. You can adjust it. Okay, you can adjust it like this. Then you click again. You click on scene. and then you bring in the guest camera, then you adjust the guest camera as well. You put it at the same place. You can, okay, so you can see that I have me, I have the guest, and we have two of us on the screen as well. You can see. Okay, so what you are going to do next is you are going to create another scene again, okay, where it's going to be the guest alone with the guest cam, and then is the guest screen. Click on okay. So you come here, you go to scene, then you bring in the guest cam, okay, you put it there. That is the guest. You can reduce it to anyhow you want it. Then you click on plus again, you go to scene and bring in the guest screen. Okay, you click on okay. So you can see that I have the screen that is bigger, is above. So if you can change it, you change it here to make sure that you bring the persons down. Okay, you can see I am up now above. Then you can reduce it to however you want to reduce the place. Okay, so this guest now, you can be doing whatever you want him to be doing on his own, so that you can be seeing the person working at the same time and the person is showing his screen at the same time. Okay, and if it's you and the person that you want to be talking, you just click here, you see that the person will show. If it's you want only the guest to be talking, you click here, you click here if it is the only screen you want to see. So the person that is watching you live on YouTube or anywhere you are displaying or sharing, they'll be seeing what everybody is doing. Is this not cool? If you are getting value and you are watched to this place, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let this video reach as many people that they are going to see it, and let people enjoy it. Let this girl earn money. And don't forget, if I'm live, please subscribe to my channel. And then I want to use this opportunity to tell us that I have already a channel. I have a Telegram channel where I am helping other people, that is having less than 1,000 subscribers. You are struggling to get 12,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, and your 4,000 watch hour. Then that group is for you. You need to join that group so that we can grow together. We can help ourselves to grow together on this YouTube. Okay, there's a lot of things that you are going to benefit on that group, and I don't know what you are waiting for. The link will be in the description of this video. Use that opportunity to subscribe to this channel as well. Okay, please subscribe, and then let's grow together. Let me help you to grow your channel to monetization. So with that, we have come to the end of this tutorial, and my name remains Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. I'm going to see you in my next video, and please subscribe. Okay, I love you. Bye.